What's up? Motivational Monday. Here we go. Pull up the restream. Oh, got an update. My hair is out of control today. What's up, guys? Ooh, that feel when nobody shows up. So good. It's alright. So I'm about to play some epidemic sound. Well, I mean, that's where I get my music. But if I play it from there, we shouldn't get copyright strikes. So we're going to play epic music for Motivational Monday. LG, what up? Josh. Dude, what's up, man? Thanks for coming out. Appreciate you. Yo, bruh. How's your day, dude? How's your night, man? You doing all right? I really need to get my series in order here. Bro, so how's your evening? How you guys doing? Okay, just me. Only me. Stream is so sad. Okay. Dude, what's up, Kelvin? A little bit of that. Turn that up a little bit. Turn that down a little bit. You guys hear the music? Now we can just play whatever music we want. It's not a fluke. Exercises for programmers. Yeah, so I'm actually going to the gym right after this. Snapper, we're gonna get to the keylogger, dude. It's on my book, actually. Remember I wrote it down? It's on there. Promise. So we got potential. I have this thing over here. This is what I use sometimes. I just roll around on the floor in the office. So what if it's weird? I don't really care, but I got this thing. Got the yoga roller here. I don't know. I think that you and I would be the only people that watch that video. But if that's what you want, I can make it happen. Yeah, so I got this little roller. You just roll around. I mean, I just do that. Dude, thick boy. That's correct. Yeah, got the foam roller. That's what I do. Put that on the lower back. As far as like bad posture, I don't know. I do a lot of deadlifts at the actual gym. So like if I'm leaning forward, natural for me to keep my back straight because I've messed up, you know. As soon as you bend your shoulders forward when you're doing deadlift, it's over. You just pull all your muscles and you're out for like 2 weeks. What do I stretch? I don't know, I just kind of roll all around. Just, if I'm there in the mornings and I go to the gym, the day before I'm like really sore, then I'll just go roll around. I put it on my lower back, put it on my butt, put it underneath my thighs. It's pretty good. As far as stretching, I don't do that. I should, but I don't. I don't do enough, especially since I'm so sedentary. I try to make up for it with the gym, but I still don't think 2 hours at the gym. You lock out your deadlift, your hips go forward, pushes the bar out of your hands. Are you like, should we do like a deadlift 101 here? Alright, I'll hit you with the deadlift 101. Maybe you already know how to do it. Alright. So you got the bar, right? Like this. It's supposed to be like, I'll show you guys. You see, it's supposed to be like right here. Now you got one hand forward, one hand backwards, and I'm not sure. Right. So like right here at the knees, and then up, straight up. go double overhand. Hate double over. Actually, I used to do double overhand, but I don't know. I wanted to mix it up so I can do different deadlift exercises. What up? My hips push the bar out. My hips don't even touch. My hips don't even touch it. It's like the only thing that this bar touches is like right here from my knees. Like this, and then I just look straight up. If you look straight up, or as far as your neck can go, it'll keep your back straight. So I meal prep and count calories. Semi-meal prep, I used to count calories, but I eat the same stuff all the time, so I have an idea of what I'm eating. I know about how much calories I burn at the gym. Depends if I add cardio. If I just do the gym, it's about 1,200 with just weightlifting. And so like the way I toss in my cardio is between sets, I will do something like sit-ups, like weighted sit-ups or leg lifts, or you hold your legs up and you go left and right. I can show you guys. You're not supposed to. I would say like you want to drive with your hips like up 405. I don't know how much. I've never really tried. I can do, what is yeah. I can do 315 a few times. I don't know what my 1 rep max is. I think the problem is I don't eat enough. And my genetics are garbage tier out of 10. I'm trying to like update my style and get like a brand new wardrobe. I got these cool joggers, but like gotta go. Missed the keylogger. Dude, we're not doing keylogger today. We're gonna do a keylogger when you're here, okay? Just for you. So, let me know. Alright, what I like, alright, everyone says they have garbage genetics. I just gain weight by like smelling food, really, I don't know. I think, since I'm like partially Native American, like Cherokee, like my grandpa was like, yeah, I'm 6'2", right? But like, I don't remember seeing any buff-ass Cherokee Indians running through the forest hunting. A bunch of skinny dudes. So it's hard for me to put on mass, but easy for me to gain fat. Do my hair? I'm getting a haircut. Or maybe not. I just do the old Trump-esque, the Trumpian, as I call it. I can show you my fat pics on bodybuilding.com. Feels bad, man. It's alright. I never really thought about it. I don't really think. I just feel pretty average height, I think. Let me log in. You guys don't want to see my fat pics. lifting, if you want a time amount, about 3 years, probably. About 3 years. About 3 years, yeah. So when I used to be a really big dude. You guys don't want to see this because we're gonna get DMCA'd for this for inappropriate content, but you know, I'll show it. I'll show it anyways. All right, here we go. Hopefully, watch this be the thumbnail of the stream. Here we go. Here I am. That's me, little chunky monkey. That was super fat. That was like 245 there. Not good. Not good at all. Alright, let me put me back. And then I have to go to the gym. I have to go to the gym every day. It's like I have to. It's like eating food to me. Well, not every day, but I didn't go today and I didn't go yesterday, so I'm gonna go right after this, even though it closes. So that'll give me some motivation to work out before it closes, I guess. And it'll be empty, so. I know, your eyes. Your eyes, I'm so sorry. Everyone left. Alright, and then here's me now. Actually, this is more like a progress picture. So that's before, then we have after. I'm probably a little bit, I have more fat than that now, because I don't do as much cardio. But I have more muscle mass and I can lift a lot heavier. But I gotta keep that six pack on lock. Probably don't look like that, but I'm natural, so I don't look all pumped up all the time. Any reason I choose to stream on YouTube other than Twitch is because actually I am streaming on Twitch, and this is being restreamed to both places. It's just that, how do I tell people that I'm going to stream on Twitch, or do I just tell them I'm going to be on Twitch and just hope that they come? Like, I don't know. I feel like I don't have enough people to just tell them that I'd go over there. I want to. It's actually live over there right now. Should be. Find it. It says I'm streaming creative. I don't know how to go to my channel. Found it. I don't actually know. I don't think so. I mean, it only matters when you have like a bunch of viewers, so I guess if I did, like right now, I'm the only viewer for myself, so. I don't know. I just do restream because everyone that's subscribed to me that actually watches get notifications versus I'm gonna play Classic WoW when it comes out. I don't want my whole life to be taken from me. But the thing is, like, what happens when you get to the end of Classic WoW? You get to level 60, you get your tier 3, tier 3.5, whatever. What do you do? I don't know. Is there still achievements and stuff? Like, half the mounts are gonna be missing, half the land content's gonna be missing. Like, I really like the rogue poison animations and stuff was cool. Oh, like, are the new races gonna be in there? Like, I assume. I mean, I guess it would take forever, and then you do the next one with the next one. PvP on the classic WoW server is going to be, you know, your classic two-shot.
This is the end of side 1 of this record. Please now, turn it over for the second side.
I guess.
The second side.
I just feel like, even though, I don't know, just some classes were just so gimped, no matter what. Oh, rip. I guess I'll let my dogs out. I'll mute my mic. I don't know how that would work. That's the only thing. I feel like I'm really quiet. Maybe that's better. Let me know if there's like feedback happening. I'm trying to avoid the feedback. So I'm thinking about making this WordPress series about like, we find a client, we find out what they want, we make the WordPress, we get the money. Oh, I'm sure it'll be like super cool. Like not even mad that they're making it. Where do I put my time? I played 2 rounds of Overwatch in the past 2 weeks. As I'm just doing this all the time. You know, not really going anywhere with this, but, well, that's not true. It's like 0.01 progression every day. So, you know, it's like this. When people come and join the stream, that makes it interactive, makes it worth it. Even though it's only 4 of us, it's all good. Custom themes, that means I'd have to do it in PHP, and I think people would get lost. I don't even know. I've never made a custom theme. I can look it up. Yeah. Oh, you can take an existing HTML website and convert it to a WordPress theme. I'm just doing a little Google here. Yeah, just PHP inside your HTML. I've never done this. It'd be a good learning experiment to try and make one. Oh god, this how-to is like 10 miles long. Yeah, I'm gonna book this and I will dig more into it. Craigslist clone in PHP. Doesn't sound too bad. For one of my projects at making a custom theme would be so difficult. I don't even know if I have PHP installed on this. You gotta remember, like, PHP on Windows is like... I made a Reddit clone. That's what I was trying to say. I made a Reddit clone for my bootcamp. I gotta find my commander. All right, let's see. Nope, I don't even have PHP installed. Canadian website, a Kijiji? What is that? I've never even been to a Kijiji. Buy and sell and save. It looks like KSL. Utah has its own Craigslist called KSL. Kijiji. Kijiji? Yeah. I'm saying it right. What's up, guys? I mean, I can see that there's 4 people here, but I don't actually know who's here until I open my own little YouTube over here. I really want to do, so my goal is to participants. So we got a couple creepers. Our MVCs used a lot in the industry. MVCs are kind of we got Angular, we got Rails, we got Laravel. I'd say other than that, it's like React and Vue with some backend that you want. But like a full-on MVC straight like front to back, it's probably some sort of Angular, maybe Symfony and PHP, if or Cake or Laravel, Ruby on Rails. For JavaScript, that is not really. I mean, I've seen like some like random ones that are just I've never messed with, but I would say, yeah, I would say they're pretty popular. It's funny because what I'm using right now is actually C#, so I guess ASP.NET is an MVC in a really weird way. So I'd say almost everything is an MVC. Five people? What up? What up, 5 people? I feel like maybe I can open a game or something. This might be a little bit, at least something. Gaming electric. What was this? I'll try it out. The only thing I don't like about YouTube streaming is that if you play anything off Spotify, you're done. It's over. Nice try. Have a nice night. Like, that's it. little bit intense for me. Yeah, that's a little bit like 2 League of Legends for me. Just keep it with the chill. What are you guys doing tonight? You guys having a good night? How was your Monday? Was it your typical Monday? Did you make it a better? Did you make it one of those Mondays where you're just like, yeah, it was good? That's how mine was. What's up, Dutch? What is up, my man? I couldn't get back to the chat. Having a tough time. I decided that I wanted to change out my wardrobe, and somehow I am now at $650 in the shopping cart. How does this happen? Oh boy, I'm just gonna close it, just leave it, I don't need it. Come back to it. Let me pop open like a game or something. Let me make some stuff down. So we want the WordPress theme. Oh no, actually hold on. We're gonna get the epic music like I said. Over the top epic music. Makes everything spectacular. What are you guys up to? Just hanging out? Probably should make like more structured streams, right? But this is kind of just like where I can interact and come up with ideas and see what you guys are doing. I can't tell if I'm a huge fan of this song or not. It's not very epic. It'll do. Alright, I don't know what to pull up. Procrastinating. I know that I feel. I was supposed to be doing something productive. Actually, no. I was pretty productive today. I would say almost 80% of what I set out to do today done. And then somehow it's 8:40 at night and I'm like, what happened? You know? So WordPress theme. Oh, gonna do some Python automation here soon. I write that down every day. And then somehow it becomes 9 o'clock and I don't get it done. Such a shame. I don't know what to pull up here. Maybe Overwatch. Yeah, let's do Overwatch. So I used to use Trello for scheduling my day, and then that got kind of annoying to do every single day. So I stopped doing that, where I would like archive all the cards and then like, well, I would try to do it for like the week. I'd have a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, blah, 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 all the way to the end of the week. And I would schedule my stuff like a list to do for that week, and then I don't have to log in at the end of the day and like organize it again. And so I decided I just like writing stuff down and checking it off because it's really tactile. I also tried like Hack and Plan. What else I try? Hack and Plan, Trello. I think those are the free ones for now. I don't know. What do you use? You suggest anything? I try to do the Pomodoro technique, and I know there's integrations with Trello for that, and you can see how many Pomodoros you have used per task. So I do that sometimes. I just have 9 million things I want to do all the time. Like I want to read this book. I want to do this Python. I want to make this how to edit video. I want to learn how to edit this thing video and then make a video on how I learned how to edit that thing. I really like film and stuff, like editing. I would just say this is my daily driver routine here. I wake up and then I wake up and I try to stay focused. I usually turn on an audiobook. I got the Daily Stoic on my phone, and I've probably listened, and you're only supposed to listen to like one a day. And I end up just listening to like 10, 12, 13. They're only like 2-3 minutes each. Just while I'm doing my thing and while I'm driving to work, and it puts me in like, okay, puts me in that right mindset. I don't know. I guess that's why people say read a lot of books, because the books just keep you in the same like grind mode mindset. Keeps you focused on what you're supposed to do. It's so easy to get out of that. Like if you stop listening to books for a few days, it's like when I was a kid and I would like go to church and I'd feel really good about going to church, and then I would like, not go for the rest of the week, and then I'd feel really bad at the end of the week. That's kind of how it is with like books for me. So I would just get yourself a planner, write down your goals, first thing, top right corner, write down like a quote that motivates you, write down the stuff you want to do, and then at the end of the day, check off all that stuff or while you do it, and then write down your goals again. So 2 times your goals, a quote, and stuff you're going to do. And then it's good to have like a little journal, but you just write about whatever you're thinking or feeling that day. I use Google Drive, and then my Google Drive document got like too big, and so I don't really know where to type it out anymore. It's so weird. I would find myself lying to myself in my journal. Like if I was writing it to some like your boss or something, you'd make it sound the way you want it, so that I would come back later and read that I was doing better than I was. And then I decided like this is for me, so I just say what I'm actually thinking. I'm not writing it for anyone, Like if I whatever. I'm gonna make my own journal here, because I really want one that like, is there like a Stoic Chrome add-on that has like a daily quote, or like for the background of like go do what you need to do. Momentum. I think I've heard of this. All right, googling. Momentum Chrome extension. 4.4 stars. Daily inspiration. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Yo, dude, that's sick. Josh. My name is. Oh, dude. There's some good. What's my password to my email? I don't know. I don't actually know. I just auto log in everywhere. I have no idea what my... Wow, I don't actually know my password. I use a different email address, I guess. New quote, Nick stuff. That sounds super sweet. Good evening, Josh. What is my main focus for today? Get shit done. Today, get shit done. Check. Great work. Oh, it's like a little to-do app. Or is it? I don't know. What if I refresh the page? You guys can't see what I'm doing, so that's really helpful. Super interactive. What a great interactive streamer. Yeah, that's whoops. Yeah, this is a little to do. So like get stuff done. Check. Add another one. Oh, to do. Add a new to do. Today, switch to the inbox. I don't know how to. Add list. Oh, what? I don't know what I'm doing. What is this music? Apparently we are now getting crunk. That's what it is, I guess. I can't play WoW. But check it. Check my no life. I can't play, but I can launch it. You guys can see. It's not my proudest moment. It says game is running. I don't see it. Oh, found it. I can't play any of these characters, but yep. This is me. I've put way too much time in Legion here, as you can see. Yeah, 110 of everything, and they're all relatively okay geared, except for this one. Yeah, I have a 110 of every single class, and I didn't bot or anything. It's all like hand leveled, all decent. Yep. Got this priest. I don't like priest. Hunter. They're pretty sweet. They're kind of lame in this expansion. Shaman, hard pass because cooldown based. No gear, so pass. Warlock, spam dots, run away, pass. This is okay, I guess. Oh, top 10? I don't know. I always got bored with PvE. Oh, this is my dude right here. This is like, if you go back in my channel history, you can see that I have PvP videos with this guy, and then I have PvP videos with this guy. My first video I ever made on YouTube was a YouTube Hunter PvP video, and it's with this dude right here. And then, oh, I think rogues are pretty hot right now, so I have rogues mainly. And then I have a couple other characters. World PvP is where it's at for me. Logging into game server. Yeah, I just got some random stuff over here. I don't even remember why I was playing there. I have a mage, an old school mage. Yeah, level 90 mage. I really like rogues for world PvP. I don't know, world PvP is so fun to me because you can't prepare what you're doing. Like you get attacked out of nowhere, or suddenly like two people jump you and then you win that fight and you're like, yeah, get wrecked. As you can see, I get really hype. You know, I spent a lot of my life in this game, so I should probably not do that anymore though. So I'm gonna click that quit button and I'm gonna leave that subscription. It's expired right where it needs to be. Even though it'd be fun. I know, world PvP and fun was like, it was super fun, but if you were a rogue, it was great. If you were a mage, it was great. If you were a geared shaman, it was great. If you were anything else, it sucked. Playing vanilla WoW server and it's crazy. Oh, isn't there there's one private server where you can like mix and match your spells. That one looks super cool. It's like Elysium. No, I don't think it's that. But there's one private server where you can like mix and match your spells. And it's super cool. Like that's what I always wanted in WoW. So if they could just add that, that would be solid. Coding Connection started to follow me on Instagram. What's up, dude? 7,000 people always on. I just don't have any time. That wasn't. I say that and I'm like I'm playing this, you know, whatever. I need some ideas on how to gain more subscribers besides daily content, because daily content gets kind of stale. I'm kind of running out of ideas. I'm not sure what to do for, well, I do a stream today, so that kind of counts as a daily content that gets uploaded. Oh, see, this is what happens. Yeah, it takes forever to level 60. Sure does. Okay, hopefully this goes fast. Make videos of what's currently popular, but then you just end up in the last page. I feel like it's better to be yourself. Well, you know, actually, like, if you were thinking like business strategy, it's probably best to go with whatever's popular so that you can just gain some traction and then diverge your own way and do that. I just auto lock Hanzo. I'm sorry, team, but this is how it has to be. Am I still in here? Yeah. So apparently streaming a game instantly kills viewers. So that's great. Yeah, how to anything. How to basic. That was like my Hunter PvP video. It was just massive frame drops. That's what everyone says. Oh, rip. Let me try windowed. I mean full screen. This should fix it. Unwatchable? Alright, please give feedback and I will change. I can't drop out of the game. Because it's ranked. I mean, I guess I could. It's not that big a deal. It's just a game. Rip. Is it still bad? Is it still terrible? It's better. I think I need to drop my bit rate, probably. Rip. Oh, rip, I'm dead. Literally, rip tire. Rip, I died. Alright, let me adjust my settings. I'm not sure, stream. Let me put this down to 2800. Apply. Alright. That should be better. Let me know if it loads. Looks okay. Haven't gotten a single limb. No, no one. Is it bad? Rip. I like how I switch at 82% ultimate. No Rhine. GG. Rip. Okay, so I just played the absolute counter. Whatever, I'll do it. I feel like, I doubt it's a bitrate issue. Maybe it's my computer issue and having 9 million things open. Ah, I was holding my button. Hey, thank you, Mercy. You appreciate that. Okay, sure. Heals, please. Rip. Well, I'm glad I played my very first ranked Overwatch game on stream and just get demolished. I'm actually having some frame rate issues too, so I'm getting like, I don't know, feels like 40, 35. Rip. And this music does not. See you later, dude. Alright, I think I'm gonna cut the stream then. It's all good. You guys have a good night. Motivational Monday coming to an end. About an hour stream. So I'll see you guys later.